Hi guys, subscribe to Mr. Muppet Fans YouTube channel and click the notification bell button for more videos.
Mr. Muppet Fan Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Bowser Burps in Class/Grounded and was inspired by Catboy 2001.
Okay class, today we will be doing some music. Dark Bowser, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking soda from a cup.
Well, there is absolutely no drinking while we are in class.
Well, you got me no choice but to drink all of the soda.
Dark Bowser, don't drink all of the soda. If you do that, you are going to burp so bad.
I do not care. Ah, much better. Oh shoot, I don't feel so good. I think I'm going to.
Dark Bowser, did you just burp in my class?
Yes, I did.
Oh my god, Dark Bowser, how dare you burp in my class? Now my classroom smells stinky because of you? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Dark Bowser, why are you here today?
I burped in Miss Allison's classroom.
Dark Bowser, we do not burp in class. Now the classroom for Miss Allison smells stinky because of you. Not only if you're expelled for sure, go home right now.
Dark Bowser, we cannot believe you burped in class. That's it. You're grounded for additional 100 months.
Go to your room right now.
Wow.